Hello, my dearest friends. In this video, we are going to start question based on Poisson distribution. So after introduction of Poisson distribution, in which we studied about the definition, the proof of Poisson distribution, and the mean and variance and standard deviation. The first question based on Poisson distribution, we have to find the probability that at most 5 defective fuses will found in a box of 200 fuses if the experience shows that 2% of such fuses are defective. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है एट मोस्ट 5 डिफेक्टिव फ्यूजेस इन अ बॉक्स ऑफ 200 फ्यूजेस। अब यहाँ पर हमें नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स दैट इज नंबर ऑफ फ्यूजेस कितने दे रखे हैं 200 विच इज वेरी लार्ज। सो इन दैट केस जब हमें नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल्स या स्मॉल एन वेरी लार्ज वी हैव टू गिवन, so we will apply the Poisson distribution. And if it experience shows that 2% of such fuses are defective, that is यहाँ पर हमें probability of success क्या दे रखी, probability of success हमें given है defective fuses. This is we have to given defective fuses. So P given है, N given है, and in the Poisson distribution हमें Poisson distribution का parameter find out करना पड़ता है, that is lambda. So firstly we will find out that, and after that we will find out probability of at most 5 defective fuses. So in the solution, firstly we will write down using Poisson distribution. We know that probability x is equal to r given by lambda raised to the power r e raised to the power minus lambda upon factorial r. This is the probability mass function for Poisson distribution. Now, in this probability mass function, अब हमें क्वेश्चन में क्या क्या गिवन है? So, according to question, we have to given n is equal to 200. Probability of success we have to given 2%. तो हमें lambda find out करना. We know that in the Poisson distribution, lambda is equal to np. So lambda is equal to np implies that lambda will be equal to 200 into 2 upon 100. That will be equal to 4. We got the value of lambda. After that, we have to find out probability of at most 5 defective bulb, at most 5 defective fuses. That is probability of x less than equal to 5, which can be written as P0, P1, P2, P3, P4 एंड P5। देखिए लैम्डा का वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 4 और ई पावर माइनस लैम्डा प्रोबेबिलिटी मास फंक्शन ऑफ पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में कॉमन आएगा। तो यहाँ पर हम ई पावर माइनस लैम्डा दैट इज ई पावर -4 कॉमन ले लेंगे एज पर द फॉर्मूला, एंड लैम्डा पावर आर अपॉन फैक्टोरियल आर दैट इज 4 p x is equal to 0, 4 power 0 upon 0 factorial, p(x) is equal to 1 that is 4 power 1 upon factorial 1, p(x) is equal to 2 that is 4 square upon factorial 2, and up to 4 raised to the power 5 upon factorial 5. Using scientific calculator, we calculate and we find out the answer. Probability x less than equal to 5 will be equal to 0.7851. साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर से डायरेक्टली आप ये कैलकुलेशन कर सकते हैं बहुत इजीली। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन अ बुक ऑफ 500 pages 390 typographical error occur. Assuming Poisson law for the number of error per page, we have to find the probability that a random sample of 5 pages will contain no error. मतलब हमें यहाँ पर प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है किसकी, नो एरर की प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है इन अ सैंपल ऑफ 5 पेजेस। बट यहाँ पर हमें डायरेक्ट प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस नहीं गिवन है। सो यहाँ पर लैम्डा कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? सो इन सच क्वेश्चन व्हेन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट लैम्डा, दिस इज 520 pages. So in such cases, if we want to find out lambda, that is mean, so it is given as 390 typographical error. So 390 upon total number of pages, we have 520. So कोई भी प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस जिसकी हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है, जैसे यहाँ पर प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है 390 टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर अकर, सो एरर अकर पर पेज, that is we have to given. So this data we will write down in the numerator and in the denominator total number of pages. So that is the lambda, or that is the mean we will find out. 390 upon 520, which is equal to 0.75. So that is the lambda we will find out. Now, according to Poisson distribution, Px is equal to R, is equal to lambda raised to the power R, that is 0.75 raised to the power R, e power minus lambda, that is e power minus 0.75 upon factorial R. That is the Poisson distribution formula. Now, probability of no error, that is x is equal to 0. So 0.75 power 0, e power minus 0.75 factorial 0. So that will be equal to e raised to the power minus 0.75. बट हमें प्रोबेबिलिटी किसकी फाइंड आउट करनी है? रैंडम सैंपल ऑफ 5 पेजेस विल कंटेन नो एरर. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सैंपल ऑफ 5 pages contain no error. So probability of no error कितना है? E raised to the power minus 0.75. So sample of 5 pages contain no error. That is e raised to the power minus 0.75 raised to the power 5. And using scientific calculator, this will be equal to 0.0235. That is the answer. That is, a random sample of 5 pages will contain no error. The probability is 0.0235. In question number 3, we have to given that records show that probability is 0.00005 that a car will have a flat tire while crossing a certain bridge. Use Poisson distribution to find the probability that among 10,000 cars crossing that bridge. देखिए यहाँ पर स्मॉल n की वैल्यू आपको 10,000 गिवन है और आपके पास प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सक्सेस कितनी गिवन है? 0.00005. सो बाय दिस डेटा वी फर्स्टली write down the value of Poisson parameter lambda, which is equal to n into p. 10,000 into 0.1234405. So that will be equal to 0.5. So first we find out Poisson parameter, that is lambda is equal to 0.5. Now, one by one we will find probability. First probability we have to find out exactly 2 will have flat tire. that is px is equal to 2, we have to find out. And using the Poisson distribution mass function, it will be equal to lambda raised to the power 2 e raised to the power minus lambda upon factorial 2. लैम्डा का वैल्यू पुट अप कर देंगे, दैट इज 0.5 होल स्क्वायर e raised to the power minus lambda, that is e raised to the power minus 0.5 upon factorial 2. That will be equal to 0.0758. So that is the probability of exactly 2 will have flat tire. Second, probability of at most 2 will have flat tire. So that is x less than equal to 2. And this can be written as probability of x is equal to 0, probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. तीनों के सम में e raised to the power minus 0.5 कॉमन आएगा एंड फर्दर P0, P1 और P2 हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे. सो P0 will be 1, this will be 0.5 and this can be written as 0.5 whole square divided by 2. Using scientific calculator, the answer will be 0.98556. So this is the way how we can calculate the probability of at most 2 will have flat tire. Next, question number 4. In this question number 4 is based on fitting a Poisson distribution. We have to given a skilled typist on routine work kept a record of mistake made per day during 300 work days. Total work days कितने हैं? 300. So that is the frequency we have to given. Total work days. Mistake per day हमें given है and number of days we have to given. We have to compute the frequency of Poisson distribution, which has the same mean and total frequency as per the above distribution. तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हमें पॉइजन पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा या पॉइजन मीन फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. दैट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट पॉइजन पैरामीटर. यहाँ पर हमें डेटा गिवन है. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट वी विल अप्लाई मीन फॉर्मूला विल बी इक्वल टू, बिकॉज फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है और आपको नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स गिवन है, then we will use mean formula summation fx upon summation f. So summation fx, when we will do, it will be equal to 267 and upon summation of f, that is we have to given total 300 work days. So this is equal to 0.89. So we have find out mean, that is the value of lambda is 0.89. And whenever we have to fit the Poisson distribution, so theoretical frequency, we will calculate 300 into Px is equal to R. That is 300 into lambda raised to the power R, e raised to the power minus lambda divided by factorial R, which is given by capital N. तो अब हम यहाँ पर एक टेबल क्रिएट करेंगे और इस टेबल में हम नंबर ऑफ मिस्टेक्स लिख देंगे, दैट इज एक्स, विच इज 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. एंड यहाँ पर प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का मास फंक्शन लिख देंगे px, जो हर किसी r की वैल्यू के लिए क्रिएट करेंगे. ये एक तरह से किसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? वैल्यू ऑफ r. r इज इक्वल टू 0, R is equal to 1, R is equal to 2, R is equal to 3 up to R is equal to 6. फॉर्मूले में हम ये वैल्यूज पुटअप कर देंगे. लैम्डा ऑलरेडी हमें गिवन है. दैट इज वी कैन राइट डाउन दिस वन एज 300 into 0.89 power r e power minus 0.89 upon factorial r. For r is equal to 0, only we are calculating first the probability. This is we are going to calculate. So for r is equal to 0, it will be equal to 0.411. For r is equal to 1, it will be equal to 0.365. For 2, it will be equal to 0.163. For 3, 0.048. For 4, it will be 0.11. For 5, 0.02. And for 6, it will be 0.003. Now we will find out capital N. Capital N is equal to frequency into probability mass function of Poisson distribution, which we already written. So this is we calculate. बस 300 से multiply कर देंगे हम इनको. So the first will be 123. Second one is 110. Third one is 49. And fourth one is 14. Then 3, then 1, and then 0. This is called how we fit the Poisson distribution. Because here we have to compute the frequency of Poisson distribution, which has the same mean and total frequency. So this is we done. So this is how we can fit the Poisson distribution. So in this lecture, I think you easily understood that is how the questions will frame based on Poisson distribution and how we fit the Poisson distribution for the given data. Thanks to all of you.